Okay, for today I put the chef's hat on because we're going to start on a long series of videos for this bad boy right here, the Ninja Foodi. So the next string of videos is going to be all about how to prepare food in here, fast, easy, and delicious. Why not start it off with some stuffed flounder? Stuffed with what, you might ask? Let's go with crab meat. Stuffed flounder with crab meat, fresh crab meat. Is going to be delicious. I'm going to show you how to set it up, how fast and easy it is in this. And why don't we get started right about now? Okay, we're going to melt some butter in the all-clad. What we want to do is let's get our shallots in there. It wants to come out. Just pinch the shallot, a little bit more than a pinch. I like shallots. A little bit of sun-dried tomatoes. If you follow me at all, you'll know that I like sun-dried tomatoes. Little cilantro. A little bit of parsley. Smells amazing already. You just want to get the shallots to do what's called sweating. You want to brown it, you just want to soften it up a little bit. A little bit of garlic. It's over like a low to medium heat. And then a little bit of white wine to it. Not much. It smells good. Look at that. Shut that off. Take it off the burner. Okay, let's get all this together. I already cooked the shallots, sun-dried tomatoes, a little cilantro, a little parsley in butter. I'm gonna take the lump crab meat. Can't resist. Stir in our little mixture. Pork is pretty good for this. It just splits it up a little bit. Still want them nice and lumpy. Just mix it up. Squeeze a little lemon. A little lemon. Oops. Extra piece. I'll put a little bit more cilantro, fresh cilantro and parsley into it. A little dab will do you. A little panko. Panko crumbs tend to hold us better together than regular breadcrumbs. I don't know the exact measurements, you gotta kind of play around with it. Some people do add mayo, they add other nasty stuff to it. I like it kind of nice and simple. To me, this is simple. Put this on the side for a minute. Okay, you have two sides of a fish. The one's closer to the skin, one closer to the bone. Now this is kind of the ugly side, so let's use that to mix the stuffing into. What we're gonna do is do a little bit more lemon on the flounder. This is nice fresh flounder, just picked it up. Ooh, in the meantime, let's start this baby up, preheat it. 375 degrees, that's about right. 350 to 400, 375 sounds good. It's set for 15 right now. Let's warm this baby up while we do that. Okay, now we're gonna take the stuffing. It's a little thick, but I like it. Just gonna roll this baby up. one. roll this baby up. Oops, spare parts. Eat this by itself. Okay, a little bit of paprika. It's really for coloring. I like to use spray avocado oil inside the Ninja. If I can figure out how to open it. So it doesn't stick. All right, let's place this baby in there. Okay, we're gonna place it in. I'm coming right back with something a little special. So right now it's got 11 minutes to go. It's not gonna be enough. Probably gonna take at least 15 to 20 in this. Now, if you've seen my previous video on compound butter and how to make it, which I'll put up here. If you haven't seen it, watch it. Good video. It's great to have around the house. Very easy to do. So we're gonna take a little bit of compound butter. Got 2 discs. Now I just made this fresh, so it's a little soft. What we're gonna do is put them on top. Just gonna place them on top. About 11 minutes left. About 11 minutes to go. I'm gonna put some more compound butter on there. Maybe a little sooner. Let's see what happens. Anybody know what this is from? The timer stopped. What I'm gonna do is, like we talked about, is add 2 more pieces of compound butter. Put it on top again. Hey, don't burn yourself. It's not too smart. Okay, and close the lid. I'm gonna use my thermometer to check the temperature of that fish, and then we're ready to eat. What do you think? I was talking to my dog. About 5 minutes passed. I guess about 16, 17 roughly overall. Let's take a meat thermometer, actually fish thermometer in this case. Let's check the internal temperature. You want it about 145. And this is about 150, so I probably overcooked it a little bit. Don't tell anybody. Let's take this out and show you the bonus recipe in a second. So, let's see if this comes out. That's 1 piece. And a second. And there you have it. Bonus recipe time. Okay, we're gonna change this now to air crisp. Start. Okay, you want a fast baked potato that tastes unbelievable? Take your baked potato, put it in the microwave for 7 minutes. Cover it with olive oil. Yay! It's hot again. Stop burning yourself. Throw it in the air crisp for, depends on how big the potato is. Probably another 7 minutes or so. Into the air crisp at 390, you're good to go. This will be a perfect add-on to my fish. And I usually put asparagus with this too, but wasn't in the mood. So let's just go with the fish and the baked potato. Okay, it's about 7 minutes or so. The baked potato should be done. The fish is done. Let's see what this baked potato looks like. Perfect. So if you like this video and you want to see more specializing in the Ninja Foodi, Please click on the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.